This question is given in GATE 2008 in the subject Signals and Systems. Okay, 2008 S&S. X of n is the real valued periodic sequence. Okay, with the period n. X of n and k are n point discrete Fourier transform pairs. The DFT of y of k of the sequence y of n equal to 1 by n sigma r equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of r x of n plus r is. Okay, actually to solve these kind of questions you need to know the properties of discrete Fourier transforms, especially autocorrelation. Okay, now what they are saying is they are saying that x of n and x of k are discrete Fourier transform pairs. In the sense x of n, you take x of n, you apply DFT, discrete Fourier transform, this will become x of k. Okay, now they are asking DFT of y of k of the sequence for the given y of n. Now write down y of n as it is. Y of n is equals to 1 by n sigma r equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of r, okay, and x of n plus r, x of n plus r. Now how can we solve this? There are properties of discrete Fourier transform. Okay, now we are going to use that. From the properties of DFT, if you observe this is exactly same as the autocorrelation function of x. This is exactly the same as autocorrelation function of x. Autocorrelation function of x is given by gamma of x of n. Okay, gamma of x of n. Now y of n is equals to gamma of x of n. Now if you apply DFT for this, this will become mod of x of k whole square. This will be the answer. Okay, in the options, mod of x of k whole square, option A is the correct answer. So by just using a small property, okay, a small autocorrelation property, you can pick the answer within a fraction of second. Okay.